Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, March 8th, 2022. We are going to start with the Forex calendar review. Overnight, as you can see, there wasn't many data scheduled for release. Barely any data from Japan. Not very important at all. So we can skip that. We got data from Germany, and the industrial production increased to 2.7%. on monthly basis, which is way better than 0.5% forecast and 1.1% last reading in the previous month. We got the retail sales data from Italy scheduled for release at 10 o'clock, and then Eurozone GDP, revised GDP even, and the employment change. Both of this data are scheduled for release at 11 o'clock. During the New York session, we got the trade balance data from Canada and from the US. Both of this data are scheduled for release at 2:30. And at the end of the day, we got the RBA Governor Philip Lowe will give a speech 11 p.m. So let's start with the Australian dollar, apparently, because there is something interesting going on there. So let's skip to the Aussie daily time frame chart. Daily time frame chart of the Australian dollar is showing us very interesting pattern here. This is a clear bearish engulfing with very high upper shadow, and it's clear that the bulls were trying to get back to our channel, but they failed. The second thing is they tried to bounce or even to break above the level of 7,415 pips. They failed. It's even more obvious that our trend line here, the long-term trend line that had started in 2021, at the beginning of the 2021, has again proved to be right, and bears again failed to break through the trend line and increase higher towards 7,483. So what do we have here? We have the rejection of the trend line. We have the rejection of technical resistance 7,415. Clearly bearish engulfing pattern. We are going down. We are going down towards the level of 7,278 and 7,252. So market conditions extremely overbought. Right now, momentum is pointing to the down. We can see this bearish force coming to the market, bearish pressure intensify. If we break below level of 50 on the RSI, which is, I guess, somewhere below 7,250 as well, we could easily push this market lower towards 7,141. The long-term implications are very clear for the Australian dollar. The market participants doesn't want the Australian dollar to go up. They will push it lower, and maybe in a few weeks we can have a new low below 6,968, because the outlook is right now very obvious. So what do we do now? I will change my my channel to another one. Not quite sure. Okay, let's put a new channel. What I'm going to do, because this one, this lower channel line had been rejected, let me put some other channel here. Looks pretty nice. Let's leave it here then. Not kind of a usual channel here. We have a breakout, but of course I told you why this breakout happened. So we are back into the channel, and we should go lower, despite the fact that the channel is ascending channel. If we break out of the channel, which is again the level of 7,141 pips, then of course we have a breakout of the channel and fell off. The price will fall out of the channel, and then of course we can have a bearish acceleration towards the lower technical support levels. Is the New Zealand dollar behaving similarly? The daily time frame chart of the New Zealand dollar is showing us an extension of the wave C to the upside. I guess there must be somewhere 161%. There you go. 161% extension of the wave C measured from the lows of the wave B. And wait a minute, where is my extension? I want my extension here. Thank you very much. There you go, and I have it. 6,910, that was the level. High on this daily time frame candle was 6,922, 12 pips higher. So right now this is the highest level. Let me just copy my my line a little bit above, now 22. There you go. So A, B, C to the upside. It looks like we are now have a greater pressure to the downside. Okay, so the local technical support 6,804 had been tested. If there is a breakout, we go to the key support 6,753, and it also means that the bearish pressure will intensify and the market might drop below 50 points level of the on the RSI, which is of course the neutral level. So this outlook for the New Zealand dollar didn't change. We are still in the downtrend and we should continue to the downside. What is then doing the US dollar to the Japanese yen? Let's take a look, because we didn't see this one for quite some time. Japanese yen doesn't do much. Okay, so still inside of this consolidation zone on a daily time frame chart. So we are waiting for the breakout. Maybe the euro to the Japanese yen is doing something more interesting. Of course it is. After free wave increase, as you can see here, perfectly spotted by our analysis, we got ABC to the upside. Of course, ABC is always a corrective move, not an impulsive move. We broke below 61%. Now it's a history. So we got the ABC to the upside. Now it's a history, and we have this massive sell-off below 127.33. So all of these levels now, 128.27, 127.91, 127.37 is technical resistance. What do we have here? Some strange, there you go. So this is a technical resistance now. We can remove this arrow. This is our highest level so far. This zone between 133.13 and 133.44 is of course the supply zone. All of these levels are the levels of technical resistance. Where is the support then? Ooh, we can't see any support here. Let's take a look on a wider perspective. What do we have here? It doesn't look good, guys. It doesn't look good because maybe some Fibonacci retracement. This is what this market is apparently looking for. Let's take a look on the Fibonacci's then. I think this is enough. So 50% Fibonacci we are missing. There you go. So we retraced 50% of this last big wave up. Consolidation, apparently it was connected with distribution. 50% is now, of course, we can say it's a tested. Okay, so now on the euro to the Japanese yen, we should see some pullback higher towards 127.37, 128.27, but we shouldn't break above this level just yet. Very nice pattern forming here. The daily time frame chart is still ongoing. It didn't close yet. Okay, we have to wait. But if it stays like this, we have a very nice bullish engulfing pattern into the pin bar at the end of the extremely oversold market. This is a very nice signal that the market wants to pull a little bit up. It wants to correct towards the technical resistance or the supply zone seen between the levels 128.27 and 127.37. Last but not least, let's take a look what's going on with Bitcoin. What is going on the Bitcoin? Oh, it looks like everything is going according to our scenario. We got this ABC to the upside, rejection, pin bar, rejection confirmation, new local high, bounce a little bit too early from 37,051. However, it's still in this bar for now on the daily time frame chart is inside bar, so market not that much keen to rally higher. These levels here will now act as the resistance: 41,933, 39,877, and the last level of the technical resistance, $39,265. So please keep an eye on the current developments. We are looking for another low below $37,051 towards the lows of this freeway of technical correction, 34,290. So it looks very promising for me. However, the bull market might return only if the price is back inside the channel and back above 45,811. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.